In this video, I'm going to show you how to get raspberries in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So raspberries are actually a new thing right now. They've just come into the game with the recent update, and this over here is what they look like. So in case you haven't seen them yet, it's basically a bush, looks pretty much just like the blueberries and some other berries in the game as well. And if I collect these, let me show you, there we go. These are basically the raspberries. Now, I'm also gonna go over here to the shop, so let's see how much those are worth. Let's click on how much this is worth. And as you can see, it's gonna say 1,300. So it's not that bad actually. Of course, this one is a bit bigger, but still you can earn quite a lot by just gathering these raspberries. Now, the way to get them is actually quite simple. What you have to do is you wanna walk up to the middle over here, and you can see we've now got a new dude, which I believe is called a hungry plant. There we go. It's a hungry plant. And what you wanna do is you basically wanna talk to him, and you want to feed him what he wants. So it says, feed me a daffodil that weighs at least 0.22 kilograms, and of course it will be different things. It will be tomatoes, daffodils, it will be carrots, etc. And they will all have to have at least the minimum weight that he displays. And after you do that, make sure you put it in your hand like this and click on take this plant. So after you do that, you'll get the seed pack over here. Let me just show you the seed pack info. There we go. So basically, in the free seed pack, which is the basic one, as you can see, the easiest thing to get over here is the raspberry. So basically, you have quite a big chance of actually getting it. Let me also open this one. Of course, you can either open up this premium sack over here, or this basic sack over here, and then just switch between the premium and basic. And inside the basic sack, as you can see, you can basically find this raspberry over here. So let me just show you how this works. I think I have one in my inventory over here. Pack, there we go. You'll basically get the seed pack, and then once you open it like this, it's gonna start spinning, and then there we go. Right now it landed on the raspberry because this one is the most common. So that's pretty much it. That's how you get a raspberry in Grow a Garden. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.